Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Did my gains come out? Gains. It sounds like gains. I ain't got it. I'm keeping it in. Raw, fresh and organic like Tesco's. In this video, I thought I'd bring you another update on Harmony, the price of Harmony. Harmony. Gotta do it, you know. Just sounds good for an advert, doesn't it? I'm going to take you through the chart, show you what I see, and because obviously from my last video, it kind of played out like I said, you know, we had that disgusting drop, came right down to exactly where I said, like, I haven't changed anything. It came right down to that 5 pence. But yeah, if it sounds interesting to you, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching, and I will dive into this, let you know where I think we're going. Before I do so, I need to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market, so please always do your own research before investing any money. That being said, as you can see, I haven't changed anything from the last time I've done this video. I talked about this massive long line, which I call the grandfather line. It's the most powerful line that Harmony's had. It's a trend line, and as you can see, whenever it's been below it, it's held huge resistance, and it's always found it hard to break through. The last time it tested it back in the past was here, fell down again, and then, you know, when it finally broke it, it really broke it and it went higher, right? So let's just have a look at that real quick. You can see it, I've drawn it. The first time it actually touched, Harmony touched this line was back here in December of 2019. You know, it held support off of it, you know, broke, you know, came above, and then it obviously had that little break there, and that's when we saw lows for Harmony. But where are we today? Let's have a look, because as you can see, we did break it through this drop, and, you know, I can see it's coming up to test it now, and this shows what I mean when I say that this really is the most powerful line for Harmony. It is the granddad line. If you want to draw this trend line, you can do so. You know, you can grab up TradingView. The best way to draw this line is to come in at the tops of these lines here, from this one here, and look for this bottom support here from the 17th of December. Look down here, the 17th of December. Take that fall and you know, draw it across. Come across up to here, and then you can get this trend line up, because I think it's powerful. It's on the daily time frame. It's important that we watch this trend line, because it is the decider. It's going to tell you what's happening with the prices, I promise you. So yeah, you know, we had this fall down, like I said, in the price. It came down, held support here quite good actually, because it, you know, it did fall below it and it got bought back up. And so yeah, you know, I think this is what I think. If it can break this line, it might be hard, because, you know, it's also facing this 21-day moving average that's coming down. And for those who are new watching, don't understand what moving averages are, the 21-day moving average is just as powerful as this trend line that I've drawn. You can see anytime price has been above the 21-day moving average, it's bounced off of it like a wave, and it's ridden this entire 21 yellow line like a wave all the way to the top. But same thing when it goes underneath, and you can see it clearly here. Whenever Harmony is broke below it, it came back above, but, you know, it's found hard resistance and tried to break above it, and we are testing it right now along with this granddad trend line. I gotta call it that because it's so powerful. It's the decider. If Harmony can break this along with the 21-day, I promise you now, you are going to see some absolute explosive moves to the upside with Harmony. I can't stress that enough. I can only say what I see. And, you know, we're looking at a price of right here. If Harmony can get above the 7 cents, 0.72, and then hold support above and start printing candles, because these are candles, start printing these candles above, and then it starts hovering across this, you know, granddad trend line, we're going to see some explosive gains to the upside. And, you know, maybe this was the bottom. Maybe this was that true capitulation when we should have bought in. I don't know yet. I need more data to decide, you know, because it could come down, it could print lower. Time's going to tell. And I'm watching this as well, the RSI. You know, you can see when we've been overbought and oversold. And the last few times we were overbought was, you know, one was here. And obviously at the tops right here, you can see it match up perfectly with the RSI. If I just bring this up a bit so you can see. So, you know, I'm looking at the RSI. And, you know, you got good perfect entries as to when you want to sell. Anywhere between the 89, because you can see it here, like between the 80 and the 89 would be a good time to be selling if you wanted to sell on the daily time frame, right? Where that's going to be, I don't know, but I believe if it does break above, again, you know, I can see prices as high as there. Look, I'd be looking at the 35 cent, the 56 cent. These are the prices that I think Harmony can reach. Obviously, it probably have to tackle these Fibonacci retracement levels first, but those are the levels that I see Harmony coming in at in the future, should it break this trend line. I might have to extend this trend line as well. I'll do that later on today. But yeah, let me just show you one last thing that's really, really powerful. I've not actually shown you guys, but I want to show you because this indicator is extremely powerful. I'm going to turn the 21-day off. Oh, just press the eye. Here we go. This. It's called the Williams Alligator indicator, and I designed it so when the price is above the green. Again, it was sort of similar to the 21. When the price is above the green, price action is great, and when it's below the green, price action is resisting, is a bit hard and stuff. But the Williams Alligator is powerful because you can see clearly with this Williams Alligator, how powerful it's been. It tells you where the trend is going, and anytime it's broke, you can see here, because you've got 3 lines, right? If you want to get this up, you can do so in your own time. Let me just come over to here, search it, type William, there you go, W-I-L, and the Williams Alligator comes up straight away. It might be different colors for you, but you can change it to these if you like. 3 lines. When you see the green cross the red and the grey, because there's 3 lines, when it crosses, that's when it signals the downtrend, and you can see it here. It came down and we saw this downtrend, right? Sorry, a bit of slobber, not cutting it, raw, fresh and organic like Tesco's. When you see the green cross the grey and the red lines above, this crossing right here, the tangle, it kind of tangles up. This signifies that we're going into an uptrend, and you can see it. And that's why I like using the Williams Alligator, because it really does give us an insight as to what we may see. You can see here, the last time it got tangled and it crossed above the red and the grey, we saw it ride this Williams Alligator like a wave, just like the 21-day moving average. And then if you look up here, had we have been paying attention to the Williams Alligator up here, it started to bend. We saw the cross come down across the red, it crossed the grey, and that would have probably been a good signal to say, maybe you should be taking some profits. And look what happened, it crossed over here again, and then we've been coming down ever since. But take a good look, because Harmony is, it's above this green line. Moving the thingy, it's above this green line. I wanted to look back sort of quickly just to see what kind of indicator we need to look for when it comes to breaking the cross. So let's just have a look here. The green lines come here. I'm looking at price is usually above the green line before it crosses, and you can see it here as well. Let me just show you this cross here. So look, this green candle right here. Let me just grab some. What color is this? Let me make this yellow real quick. Price action is usually going to, when you see this price go across the green, comes above, then we see the cross. So, it is sort of like a lag indicator. I'm thinking that Harmony could do something like this. I'm not saying 100%. Again, I need more data to decide. Let's just bring it up and have a look. But price is above. It's obviously resisting because of this, granddad line. But if it can sustain above this green line, and continue some upwards price, we may see this green line, and it might start to tangle again, and the green might come across the grey line and the red line, and we could see further upside action. Matter of fact, if I was going to call a price, this 7 cents, 0.72, I would actually extend it to here. And the reason I'd do that is because the red line on the William Alligator starts here. And I think this is the sort of price we need to see Harmony reach in order for it to really, break above and remain above. So I'm talking maybe 0.074 cents. Time's going to tell. But yeah, I really think you should be watching this Williams Alligator. We're still over here, down here was the oversold. I think that this could start moving upwards. Time's going to tell with the RSI as well. But yeah, I just wanted to pull it all to your attention. I'm going to start using this Williams Alligator in other charts because, I've got the Bitcoin stuff and all sorts. And I think it really is powerful to have a good look at this and get a good insight as to what it's saying. Right now, the green's sort of curving upwards as if it's going to cross and, start to form some sort of tangle so it can go above. But yeah, I'm going to leave it here. If this was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. And I will try to bring more videos like this. Just to give you a little insight as to what's going to happen with the price of Harmony. And yeah, if you're not a patron already, you're welcome to do so. Become a patron. I have 7 tiers. Take your pick. Recommend my buy, sell, stake alert so you don't miss nothing. But yeah, I'm going to leave it here. Shout out to my patrons. I got to do a shout out because, I appreciate them all. Thank you so much. All the ones in these tiers, I see you. Thank you so much. And all the new patrons, I see you coming in. Hello, welcome. Make sure you check the post so you don't miss nothing. So, shout out to Mr. T West, Toy Notary, Glenda, It's Time, Cora Black, SM, Marco Costanti, Michael, AJ, Frank C63, Clarence Dennison, trying to do it quickly. Clarence Dennison, Christopher Johnson, Jacob Adams, Mr. Anonymous, Stuart Chuckler, Lewis Roach, Natasha F. Carlos Watcher, Damaris, look, just get all things mixed up, I don't care, it's keeping it in, raw, fresh and organic. Samo Stan Cox, Rahul the God, Dante Kennedy, RG, Bizzle, Max, Wisdom, Marcelo Trevino, Redix Robinson, Manny Sanchez, Catherine Chung, Tyron Samuel, Stephen Edwards, Abiola, Rachel Mack, Pamela Williams, Brandon, Stacks and Racks, Rick, Geoffrey Williamson, Omar Thomas, Casper Nell, Aaron Davis, CCP269, good feels nice, Dominic, Will W, hold on a minute, I got to sort out my bloody thing because I'm looking at my phone, you see, all kind of spread all them, anyway. Don't know what I'm talking about. Peter Stoddard, Belinda Spencer, Eric Foreman, Semyon, Fatima Price, Shwanda Owens, Tanner McLaren, Josh Wills, Marcel SSK, Kevin Ward, Sasavi, Michael Keel, Christopher Hoss, Christy, Peter Moser, Snowy, D. Swearing, Andrea Hardin, Eric, Kelvin, William Fox, Esjar, Claudette Tomiliosa, like Wingardium Leviosa. Just float you up in the air, you know what I'm about. Shakir Hussain, Jeff Tomtich, Lamar Lee Seeley, Cody Harris, S, Daniel Hopkins, Cyril, one of them, Alexander Fourier, Gilbert Baggins, Stefan, Eric Jackson, Paul Forrest, Benson Hum, Powell, Russell Cohan, Joseph Marcus, Joshua Menglona, Crypto Mac, Andrew Queen, Give Me the Gains, Videx, West A, M. Ali, me, not cutting it, Mo C, Fiat Justin, Mike V, Geronimo Forvero, J Fave, Terry JC, Ollie, Orville Broomfield, Frank Essa, Nassa, Ignacio, just, because I whacked the wand at your hand, some Harry Potter spell right there. I can see it. Can you see it? G Crypto Loman 7, Chris Chico, NM That Man, Francis Loco, Zach Adam, Mansawa, Jem de Jaguar, Marcus Gittery, Robert Loss, Exalios! Just mash up your head and your ear. Just put a bit of spell in your ear. I'll put a spell on you. Anyway, look, I'm just getting all that. Stony Mac! What am I laughing for? John Lowe, Ken Marrold, Ranjo Singh, Raffle Cooper, Aiden, Ejiki Okori, just spin you around with a little spell. Luke Ainsworth, Mr. Do-Right, Anthony Berry, TRG Investments, Branko Dorosilic, Marky Cersei, Ryan Orange, Ryan Williams, Toucan, Santino, Rafa St. Joel, Kenneth, Crazy Jam, messing up all the names, because people come along the Crypto Express and they disappear on their bloody broomstick, just flying away like a sauna. I can't stop. Timothy J. Brusky, Renee, UKMC, No Name, Jack Slater, Pablo, Bradley Kim, Lena 111, Sunny V, Crypto 1, Ross Martino, Hani Abu, Ricardo Vinegas, Shinadu, Oscar Vilgas, Crypto Moon, Nightman 911's new to you. I've got to start scrolling up now, see how many names there are. Where am I? Jackson Tepper, Francis Hernandez, Akbar, Jermaine Allen, David Adedeji, Chiquita, hello, John Sandoval, Aaron Silo, Chris McClendon, Optimus Poompage, Edgar Cortez, Ramil TV, Kirsten, Mr. Drew, hello, SNCC, Seaman and Daddy Albert, Sander Kampong, I think that's Kampong, yeah, Joshua Asher, Daniel D, Black 8, Bob Ross, I got to put the, anyway, spit all over my phone. Oh, where am I? I've lost it. Okay. Eloy, Mikey? Yeah. User X 2019, Blackstar, Chillis Creations, Akis Voderus. That's a sick spell! I swear your name sounds like a spell. Just, I've got to stop. Abin Hussein, gotta stop, Jay. Moises D. Lopez, Michael, Joseph Samara, Neona London, Chris Tap Dancers. You better tap dance. Just tap dance with you, What am I laughing for? No. Iris, Jack Bliss. Yeah? Montreal Ammon, Joey J, Raj T, Liesel, Brian Reedy, Terry, Cornell Goodman, Matthew Walker. I told you there was loads! You thought I was joking in it. If you're still watching, you best believe. Can't help it. Where was I? Cornell Goodman, Matthew Walker, Carlos Porter, Sarpent Singh, Dennis Boonman, Alessandro Benini, Mark Peake, Elliot Chiu, Royal ID, Teddy Barrel, Hassan P, Makuga? Let me know. Gordon McCulloch, Monica Matteo, Adam Allen, Ralph Green, Marcus Dunbar, Johnny Matthews, Michael James, Arted, yeah, Moises Gallery, Mrs. Carla V. Hello there. Rizwan, what am I laughing for? A-Kings, Ice Cat Trader, Davidas Nomentus. Just make you invisible, quick, because it's coming! Davidas Nomentus. I can't help it. Connie, A. Alamu, just switch it up, Williamson John, I can't help seeing Harry Potter spells in your names. Williamson Johnson, Anthony Donne, Karen Danek, sorry. Kimberly Gearman, All for One for all. Cylindel Tashima, Stefan, Coinage, Adriana Landa, PC World, because it's PC, innit, Marky 27, Dave, Chris Adlam, Crypto Newbie, Thomas Rodriguez, Golden Bag, Slow Measy, Noel 21, Trevor Dawson, Jude Tam, Thierry, Joe Youssef. Oh my god, there's loads. Just do. Can't even get it out. Chucks Anderson, Splurge Ultra, RF Joy, Kevin Rodriguez, Danny Rich, Elstein, Tafadzwa. I think that's right. Why is it not scrolling up anymore? Memphis Emphas, Carnivore 444, Morgan Culver, Joe, Kalpashkumar, Alexis Pagan, let me know. Seraph X, Kevin V, Crypto Hustle, Anish Patel, Aaron Nova. Two different names there. Mohammed Imran, Ankush Jain, Corey, Mario L, Vanessa Small, Elijah Ailendi. I keep getting that one wrong. Ailand. Let me know. Nika Onyu. Yep. Onyu. Let me know. Moinul Hussein, Andrew Lawami, Nadine Jordan, Eddie Laform, Tony B. Eddie Laform? Yeah. Tony B. D Wheels, Riyad Midacasso. Yeah. Mandy Nguyen, Hashmatala, Michael Ruddy, Will Brooks, John Wesley, Surah Rashid, Eamon Deep Whaler, Miss Axel, Master J. I told you! I'm still going! It's that long! Shout at my mic in the screen, you know. Just carry on. Daniel Brown, Leon Plas. What am I laughing for? Stop. DG Crypto, Adam Istvan, Theodore Wheaton, LD, Vincent Millett, Mauricio, Anoop N, Steve Mayer, Aman Rizvi, I think that's right, Janetta, I like it, Legend Charles Knight, Asa Jones, Gabriel Vince McDougall, I think that's right, let me know, Duns River, Carrie, Gilbert Blaggins, I'm still going, Jack got to scroll down again, it's like a bloody bumper card right, it's all kind of, I don't know, it's like a funfair outside, just going up and down damn time. Well, I can't stop. Jake Ross, Cookie Crumbs, Christian Lee, Philip. I've got to have fun with it, you know, because I'm sitting there calling everyone's damn name. 10 minutes. Philip Stafford, Fund Me Now, Crit Dive, Maha Ramadan, Fiaz Ahead. I think that's right. Jim Harsha, Bent Henson, Daniel Grigoriou. I'm starting to slow down now. Like Idol Piper, Sherry Tay Zostek. I think that's right. Dishanovation, Mustafa. I think that's right. The Skylark. Hold tight, DJ Skylark. We're in a place for the DJ Skylark. You best believe I drop that every time I hear your name. Liz Reed, El Bengrad, the A-Team / something else, can't remember. Jacob Madaris, Landlord Morrison, sorry. I think that's right. Nichols Do It, Dave Catho. I'm starting to slow down. I can't help it. Richard Karma, Kyle Dawson, Dennis, JP Deline. I think that's right. Deline. Let me know. V-Flash, Joey Shawns, Akeem Banks, hold on, Michelle Van Den Acker. I got your name. I know it. Rosemary Hansen, Justin Levin, Via Financial, Raycorn, Mr. Pauniti, Massey, Tonye Adekibi, Searcoins, Brandon, James Richards, Lawrence Corvalane, Kasha Smith, Soul Seeker, Theodis, Rossi D, Pablo Baptista, Renton Bacco, Kevin Chack, Inigo Zubriere, I think that's right. Stefan Grunfield, RGC Visual, Lee Goodwin, Jiba, Kevin. Look, my bloody door's going. They got to wait. I don't care. I'm still calling out. Kevin Konitsky, Matthew Wan, Tristan Miles, John Hung, Saif Rahman, May Revel. Oh my God, there's too many. Laurie Liptrot, Alicia Abagus, Gima Wambugu, I think that's right. Des, David Lang, Sayita. I remember how you said your name. Danny, too many. Danny Ruddick, Kenny Brocco. Let me know. Brokaw. Let me know. Aaron Nguyen, Nick Smith, Sandbox, Nazar, Sam Lanier, James Snowden, Tariq Rivera, and P. Pie. Let me know. That was mad. Long ass. I don't know what to say, but I had to do it. Thank you all so much. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.